Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're going to take you out to Ponte Vedra for the Nease High School NJROTC car show. We've been out to this car show once before. Unfortunately we missed it last year, scheduling conflicts or something. But anyway, it just happened to be on a Saturday that we didn't have anything going on. So we went and checked it out. And it was as good as it has been in the past. Might have actually been a little bit better. Might have been a little bit bigger. I don't know for sure. But this is going to be our car show cam video. There's not a whole lot on it, but there is something on it because we drove in and went and parked in the spectator parking area and then drove back out, and we drove right by the car show field. So there's a little bit on it, not a whole lot. I'm going in pre-warning you. If you're not really interested, skip on to the next one. There's going to be lid cam, scooter vision, walkabout cam. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do enjoy the video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. It's really important. It helps out the channel on YouTube. We're trying to grow. Like everybody else, we want to grow our YouTube channel. So anyway, that's really all I got. I'm going to shut up. We're going to get you out to the car show. Let's rev it up for them hot rods. coming in.
For the classic one, our third place. Third 101, Walt Bavard. Walt Bavard was number 3rd in classic. Congratulations, Walt.
Alright everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Nease High School NJROTC car show at Nease High School in Ponte Vedra. This was a great car show. We really enjoyed it. They teamed up with Motoring Morning Social to do a cruise-in and car show thing. I'm not really crazy about how that worked out, because you got the people that were at the Motoring Morning Social cruising in and out, while you got the static display of cars, and it's just... You come to a car show, you expect to see the cars. You don't expect to see cars coming and going and coming and going. But hey, it got them more cars out there. So that worked out in their favor. Anyway, it was a great show. I really enjoyed it. I enjoy helping out these guys that are, trying to raise money for their high school programs. Because I used to be in their position. I used to be, a high school ROTC kid. Many years ago. I'm not going to age myself and tell you how many years ago. But anyway, we really enjoyed the show. It was a great show. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. It really helps out the channel. We're trying to get to 500. We are at 369. We got a little bit to go, but hey, we're clawing our way that way every step, every day, every week. We're going to get there. I don't know when we're going to get there, but when we do, we'll have some sort of celebration on the channel. It'll be a big deal when we get to 500. I'll have to figure out what I'm going to do for the 500 special. But anyway, we'll see you guys at the next car show, wherever it may be. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And just keep following. We'll see you guys out at the next car show, wherever, whenever, whatever it may be.